som blinker er bange for døden was a very successful, as Rødby Puttgarden was as well. But this one is his first novel, first literary work, and it was praised and translated into many languages. And in English it's called Nothing But Fear. So it's about his, it's a novel, but it's actually about his own life. And the character in the book is named Knud Romer. And all the characters are from the his living reality living. He is half German, half Danish, and for that he got bullied because of his German mother. Mm-hmm. And that's true, I think. But there's some funny things to say about that. Okay, I'll return to that. But his description of his hometown is not positive, as he claimed early in the novel, and now I'll read it in Danish and after that in English. Nykøbing Falster er en by, som er så lille, at den begynder med at holde op. Her blev jeg født i 1960, og det var det tætteste, jeg kunne komme på ikke at findes. Altså, as in English. Nykøbing Falster is a city that is so small that it starts with its ending. I was born here in 1960, and that was the closest I could come to not existing. However, Nykøbing and the island Falster somewhat became the author's destiny, and he has never denied that he is from here. His mother was German, and she loved to hold on to the traditions that she was raised with in German. So when he had a birthday party, it was in the German way, and for that he got very bullied by his classmates. You have to remember that 1960 is not so far from the end of Second World War, so it was not very popular to be German here. But many of the characters in it recognized themselves when reading the book now as adults, and some of them was complaining the way they were presented in the book, and say, I was not bullying you, and what is it that you're saying about me, and that's not fair. But Knud Romer also took place in this discussion and defended himself with claiming that this is a novel, it's fiction.